Hello, this is Edward from Around the Atlas, and greetings from the city of yellow bridges, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Hello, fellow vagabonds. My name is Edward, and I'll be your tour guide. Traveling is my main passion, and I'm excited to share all of my adventures with you. So come follow along as I travel around the Atlas. Well, I am happy to be back in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, one of my favorite cities in the entire country, believe it or not. I firmly believe that Pittsburgh is one of the most overlooked, overshadowed cities in the entire country. Pittsburgh has a lot of cool museums, but if you're only here for a couple days like me, you're probably going to have to pick and choose which ones you want to see. Now, there's lots of great options, including all of the Carnegie museums in the city, which includes an art museum, a science museum, a history museum. There's a pretty cool children's museum for those of you with kids. There's the Andy Warhol Museum for those of you interested in his art. But one of the museums that I wanted to check out on this trip is one that I've been wanting to visit ever since I started coming to the city, and I've just never had the time to. It's right behind me, called the Mattress Factory. It's a little bit of a bizarre name for a museum, but it's kind of an interactive art gallery. So looks super photogenic, looks super Instagrammable, looks pretty interesting, right up my alley, so I'm excited to go check it out. So let's go inside and see what Mattress Factory is all about. This is pretty incredible. So one of my favorite artists in the world, Yayoi Kusama, the famous Japanese artist who does all the infinity rooms. Pleasant surprise, 2 of her infinity rooms are right here at the Mattress Factory in Pittsburgh. I did not know that when I came here, so it's an added bonus. But yeah, this behind me, definitely not creepy at all. This city does not get talked about enough, does not get visited enough by travelers. This city needs to be on everyone's radar now, especially for those of you who like photography, because this is one of the most picturesque, scenic city skylines and just overall views you're going to get anywhere, especially with all the bridges and hills and beautiful views of the skyline everywhere. You cannot beat this city. It has something for everyone. It has incredibly friendly people. Even though we're in Pennsylvania, we're close to Ohio, you get that Midwestern hospitality here that you don't get in cities like Philadelphia, closer on the East Coast. If you can't notice by now, everything in this city is yellow. Yellow is the official color of Pittsburgh. It's everywhere. It's on their bridges. It's in their Heinz mustard. It's on all of their sports teams. You can't go anywhere here without seeing black and yellow everywhere. How could you get bored of views like this? This city is just way too gorgeous and photogenic, which is the main reason why I have no idea why Pittsburgh is not more famous and doesn't get visited more. This place is an Instagram lover's paradise, and I love taking pictures of here. It's one of my favorite cities in the world to photograph, actually, and to explore.
Around here is like I was just wanting to be happy all the time.
It's incredible.
Hey guys, that wall, 160 countries, the largest international welcome wall in America. And Mom said, Randy, what's wrong? And I said, Mom, I'm so mad. Everybody is rich. Everybody got everything. You say God loves us. God doesn't love us. Where's God at? He gave you the worst husband. Mom says, no, Randy, God does love us. You're just looking through different eyes. Randy, you're looking through the eyes to say that everybody has things and you don't have any of them. So you're thinking that you're, well, in the back of the line. What you have to remember is what you're seeing is those people work hard for those things. So we're here to work hard, not to be jealous, not to be angry with us.
Well, just checked out Randyland here in Pittsburgh. What an incredible place. What an incredible story. What an incredible person. What an inspiration. He's one of the few good ones, Randy here. And, you know, I always say that I like animals more than people, but people like him definitely restore my faith in humanity. He's a good person, nice and weird, just how I like him. Such a character, amazing person, beautiful heart, beautiful soul. Definitely wish there was more people like him, but he's one of the good ones. If you're ever in Pittsburgh, definitely come say hi to Randy at Randyland. Check out his art, hear his story. He will talk to you for an hour, but you're gonna sit there smiling, listening to every word he says, because just such an interesting person and has so many interesting and insightful stories to tell. A lot of wisdom in that man's mind. So definitely we'll be coming back to Randyland again soon. Any other city I've been to that's this scenic and this beautiful gets the recognition and praise and tourism it deserves. Pittsburgh, I'm not sure why, but it's definitely a beautiful city, definitely worth checking out. Something here for everyone, and I'll keep coming back here again and again because I absolutely love it here.